Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about a group discussion worksheet, and we want to see how to fill out the accountability check table and how to submit your individual worksheet. If you go to D2L and then click on content, in the content, you can see different units. And any unit you will click, you will see the materials of that unit. As an example, if you click on Unit 1, you can see a welcome to Unit 1 here. And if you scroll it down, you will see Unit 1 lessons. And after that, you will see discussion here. In discussion part, you can see clickable parts. There are two links here. Link 1 is called Group Discussion Worksheet 1. And the second one is called Group Discussion Worksheet Guide. If you click on the first one, in a separate tab, you will see a Google Docs, which is here. I already opened that. And you can see that the title is Group Discussion Worksheet 1, Introduction to Engineering. At the top, you can see an accountability check, which is a table. You are going to fill it out before submitting your individual worksheet. The first column is the name of students here. The second column is the role of each student. We have leader, timekeeper, technician, inclusion advocate. And if you scroll it down, you can see other questions, like you can see questions of that worksheet that you're going to work on, and you are going to answer them and then submit your individual worksheet. But it's too important to fill out this table for each of these group discussion worksheet before submitting. So we want to see how to find a group and how to work together and what steps you need to take to fill it out and work on worksheet problems here. So if you click on the second link here, Group Discussion Worksheet Guide in the D12 in discussion part, a separate tab will be open for you again, which is a Google Doc. It's called Google Discussion Guide. I already opened that here. So the top is Group Discussion Worksheet Guide, and then you can see different steps here. Step 1 is how to pick roles and rotate if needed. You are going to pick one of these roles like leader, timekeeper, technician, and inclusion advocate. You can see the responsibilities here. As an example, leader email the instructor a list of student names in your group and guides discussion, keeps team on track, ensures everyone speaks. You can see all responsibilities here. And based on these roles that you pick, then you are going to fill out this accountability check in your group. So at the top of your worksheet file, all of you should have this accountability check, which is already here. So you need to just fill it out here before submitting. Step 2 is creating your own Google Doc. The file you can see here is a Google Doc that you are a viewer, so you are not able to make any change on this. But in order to solve the problems and make any change on this, you need to first of all make a copy of this Google Doc in your own Google Drive. In order to do that, you are going to click on File here and then click on Make a Copy. If you click on Make a Copy, then you can give it a proper name. And then here, you can give it an address in your Google Drive, which is the one you are going to use with your PCC email. Your PCC email should be logged in, then you have access to your Google Drive of your PCC. So you are going to give it a proper address, proper name, and then click on make a copy. Then you will have your own group discussion worksheet and you can just make a change on it or just answer questions. So you are going to do that first. And then these are discussion rules you can see. The leader will start by reading the problem aloud. These are what you need to do during the meeting you have together through Zoom or in person or any way you prefer to get together. And then timekeeper, announce time limits, inclusion advocate, interrupt if someone dominates, technician fix stock issues, and there are some tags for everyone. Everyone in group will do these things. Read through each problem in the worksheet, discuss the method to solve the problem, answer the question in your own worksheet document. And at the end, you can create another meeting time. You can get together again. This part is optional, but if you want, you can meet again and compare your answers, and the leader can get feedbacks. Timekeeper keep the time again, depends on the time of the meeting you want to have. And when you check everything, you are going to submit your worksheet. Again, before submitting your worksheet, you are going to check that you have accountability table at the top is completed. And also you need to check discussion worksheet rubric to make sure you have completed everything. As you can see here, discussion worksheet rubric is a link. When you click on it, you can see the rubric for discussion that has two different criteria. One of them is group member roles and expectations. Another one is solution steps and logical progression. But let's also see where is the place you can submit that. If you go to your D2L and click on coursework here, there are three different options in drop-down menu. The second one is discussions. If you click on discussions, you will be directed to discussions part of D2L. In this page is, if you scroll down, you can see there's a introduce yourself, which is the discussion part. In first week, you are going to post your preferred name and pronouns, your goals for this course, and like everything about introduction. And then the second one is find a study group. So this is actually the discussion part. You are going to find your group mates, which is going to be a group of 4 to 6 students each group. And you are going to pick one of these roles, and you are going to kind of see like what role suits you best, and you are going to actually post here. So if you click on like find a study group, then you will see that here you can start a new thread and you can post here and you can find each other and just make a group. So you are going to do these things in week 1 of the term. You are going to find your own group. And after that, in week 2, you are going to submit your first worksheet, which is discussion 1, as you can see here, Introduction to Engineering Group Discussion Worksheet 1. If you click on this, you will have access to this discussion part. Again, there is a button here, Start a New Thread. When you click here, there is a place you can submit your individual group discussion worksheet here.